In today's video, I will show you how to create a report in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want. Building reports directly inside the platform is a great way to save time because it automatically aggregates your responses into real-time summaries, meaning you don't have to waste hours formatting external spreadsheets. To get started, click the Reports tab at the top of your screen, and then click Create Results. A setup menu will appear where you can customize your document layout. Enter your report name, choose the page size you want, and select your preferred orientation. You can also set your own custom margins here to match your organization's presentation standards. And once that is configured, click Create. Now that your canvas is ready, you can populate it by clicking Insert on the report toolbar, then selecting either questions or visualizations depending on what you want to feature. If you choose the visualization option to make your data more visually striking, click Add Metric in the right-hand menu and select the specific survey question or data field you want to display on your page. And that's it. That's how you create a report in Qualtrics.